This is gate 23 question. Question number 50. The question is match the following. We have demographic transition stage 1, 2, 3 and 4, and PK virus. P states that high fertility and high mortality. Q states that we have declining fertility. R states that we have stationary population, and S states that declining mortality. And these are the given option. Okay. Now for this we have demographic demographic transition model. Okay, now as we have given, it has four stages as it has been given here. So here we have two things to bother about. Here we have birth rate and death rate. So what will do? For birth rate I will use blue pen, and for death rate I will use green pen. Okay, now I am just drawing it. Here we have time, here we have birth and death rate per thousand per year. Okay, birth and death per thousand, that's per thousand per year. So I am dividing it into the four phases. This is the first phase, this is the second phase, this is the third phase, and last one is the fourth phase. Okay, now the first phase is, and these are the stages. Okay, now in the first is what is demographic transition model. It explains the transformation of countries from having high birth and death rates to low birth and death rates, like how country evolves over time. It shows this. Okay, now we have first is stage 1. In stage 1 we have almost equal birth rates, almost equal. It is not constant, but it is like this, like birth rate, sorry, and almost equal death rate. Now the question is, why in the first phase the birth rate and death rate remains stagnant? Because the birth rate is high because it is the phase of early Britain in the 18th century, or we can say that the current situation of least developed economics or countries. Now in this phase they don't have family planning, high infant, matlab there is more agriculture work, and due to more agriculture work they need more labor, and due to which they give more birth to the people and the children, and they consider children as economic asset. Why death rate is high? Death rate is high because there is high level of diseases in the people. There is no cure in the economy at that time. Lack of clean water and sanitation, lack of health care, or due to war there can be high death rate. Okay, this is the first phase. Now in the second phase what happened? Birth rates remain stagnant, but in the second phase what happened? Death rates keep on declining. Now why in the second phase death rate decline? The death rate decline because there is improved health care, like it is the case of Britain in the 19th century. In this case, like a smallpox vaccine has come into play, so there is decline in health issues, which leads to improving improving death rates, improving their health, and that leads to decrease in the death rate. So in this case death rate decrease, or there is improvement in sanitation, improved food production, and therefore infant mortality rate also decreases. Now what happened in the third stage? In the third stage both declines at a, like the death rate were already declining, but it is declining at a lower rate, and now birth rate also start declining. Okay, Now, why birth rate is declining in the third stage? Because now this is the case of 19th and late 20th century of Britain. So what happened now? Family planning is available now, and as we can see, this is the case of China somehow before, and there is lower infant mortality rate, and due to there is increase in industrialization, due to which there is less need of worker nowadays because of industrialization. So they gave so their birth rate now they don't consider children as an asset in a large phase, as for now there is industry and less worker can work on the small land to produce the same output. And also in this we have seen that women start working, so due to which they now give focusing more on the work, and due to which they decide to decline the birth rate, and they start giving less birth as compared to earlier women. So this was the third stage. And what is the fourth stage? In the fourth stage, both both these keeps on declining and they become up at a point stagnant. Okay, now both mortality rate and birth rate are declining. So this is the fourth stage. In this population, birth rate is low, death rate is low, population is steady, we can say this. So this is our fourth phase of declining. So we here the population is stagnant, here also the population is stagnant, or we can say that mud. But the thing is here fertility and mortality rate are low, but here is the high fertility and mortality. So we can clearly see that the first should be uh, matched to this high fertility and high mortality rate. Now in the second phase, what happened, our birth rate becomes it is of the earlier level, but our death rate keeps on declining. So death rate decline, that means fertility rate is constant but mortality rate is declining. So we can't have declining fertility in the second stage, but we have declining mortality in the second stage. So we have PS as of now. Now for the third stage, we have seen that birth rate also start declining. Now birth rate is related to fertility rate. So due to which there is declining fertility, which is the Q. Now in the last, as we see, there is constant. Both came at a same level. Both birth rate and death rate came at the same level. So this implies that there is a stationary population at this point of time. So last is PSQR. As we can see that this is the option of PSQR is the option B. So option B is the correct option for the given question. Thank you. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it is so, then please do comment, like and subscribe.